and alam ko po na medyo challenging gumising sa umaga. Sinasabi ko po yun sa sarili ko. Pero maraming salamat na ngayon pa lang pinapakita niyo na po yung support sa bagong pelikula po namin. And sana magtuloy-tuloy po until next year.
Rian!
Thank you so much for coming, everyone. Sobrang excited po kami ni guys dito sa project na to. We've been waiting for this for a decade. All our lives. We've been waiting for this for a long time. So thank you so much for matching our energy and being here today with us. Sana po magustuhan niyo yung malalaman niyo about our movie and about our story. Michael Special mention.
Oo, lagi special mention si Michael.
Magphoto muna po tayo, Michael.
Ilang muna kayo?
Here na lang. So photo po and then we will proceed to the Q&A. Tayo siguro mas better. Tayo ba yung safety? Direct.
Nakatayo.
Ayun na. With flowers.
With flowers.